Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, today I'm going to show you on how to create chart using Microsoft Excel 2016. Okay, let's say you have data like this, expenses from January until May 2021. Okay, so let's make a chart for item and expenses on January. Okay, so before we select the data, make sure that the data that all the data are not in merge cell. Okay, so like this, we have a column A, B, C, and D. So there's no merge cell. Okay, so first step you have to select column cell B2 until B10, and then drag your mouse to January column. That means from C2 until C10. Okay, so click next, click insert, then click recommended chart here. So in recommended chart, it will show you there are so many chart type that you can choose. Okay, so let's click all chart. So we have line chart, we have bar, pie chart, and so on. Let's choose a 3D clustered column chart. Click OK. So your data appear here in 3D clustered column. Let's say you want to change the title of the graph, the chart. Okay, so just double click on the title. Here you can type January expenses. Okay. Okay, if you notice, if you click on the data cell, okay, so refer to the tab above here. So there is only basic tab. You have file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, help. But if you click on chart, there are two more tab here, design tab and format tab. Okay, so if you want to change anything in chart, so you have to click on chart so that design tab and format tab will appear. If you click on the data cell chart, so the design tab and format tab will disappear. So we still want to change something on chart. So click on chart. Okay. So now I want to add another element as exist element exist title. Okay. So click on add chart element here. So we have exist title. So actually we have so many menu here. You can just bring your mouse pointer. Okay, you can see. So but now we have to choose exist title for primary horizontal title, and then we can change the title. So here we can change item. Double click on the text box and then just type item. Okay, so now we want to add another exist title that is vertical. So click primary vertical, double click on the box. Okay, and then just type expenses. Okay, so let's say you want to change the style of the chart. So let's choose chart style here. So maybe you want to choose style 3, and you want to change the color. So we can change the color here. We have so many palette color here. So choose one of the color. So here your data already created in 3D clustered column chart. Okay, now what if the data that we want to choose are in separated column? For example, we want to select column item and column March. Okay, so how are we going to select the column? Okay, so first of all, you have to select column B2 until B10. Press Ctrl button on your keyboard, hold the Ctrl button, and then click cell E2 until E10, which is expenses in March. Alright, so now release the button and then repeat the chart creation, which is you have to click insert tab, recommended chart. Okay, click all chart. Okay, so now choose 3D clustered column and then click OK. So this chart is on expenses on March. Okay, chart of expenses on March. Alright. Okay, so let's say you don't want to choose a 3D clustered column. You can change the chart. Okay, so what you have to do is, okay, so in the design tab, we have changed chart type. Okay, so click change chart type. So maybe you want to choose a pie chart. Let's say let's choose a 3D pie chart. Click OK. So now you get the 3D pie chart. Okay, so you can add the element or you can choose quick layout. So click quick layout here. So just bring your mouse pointer all over the layout so you can see every layout will give you different types of legend, title. Okay, so you can choose any suitable layout that you want. Okay, you also can choose a chart style. So for example, I choose chart style here. Okay, so you already get pie chart expenses for March. Okay, now let's create chart by selecting data in row. Okay, so what you have to do is, okay, now we want to produce a chart for total expenses from January until May. Okay, so select cell C2 until cell G2. Press Ctrl button and hold the Ctrl button. Select cell C11 until G11. Release the Ctrl button and then repeat the step for creating chart. Click Insert tab, recommended chart. For example, now I'm going to choose a line chart. So let's click all chart, click line chart, and then let's choose line with markers. Click OK. Right, so you already have the line chart for expenses, total expenses from January until May 2021. Okay, so now let's change the chart title. Double click on the text on the chart title and then type total expenses monthly. Okay, so now let's add title as this. Okay, So click chart element, add chart element, and then add this title. Then click primary horizontal. Double click on the add this title and then type month. Okay, so next I'm going to add title, add this title on vertical. Okay, double click and change the title expenses. Right. So let's say I want to add a border for so click format. So just click border, and then maybe we want to change we want to add a little bit color on the chart. Okay. So this is a line chart for total expenses monthly from January until May 2021. Okay. So if you want to print the chart, okay, so you have to click on the chart. But if you click on the data cell, okay, so let's see, if you click on the data cell, you click file and print. Okay, so only the data cell will be printed. But if you want only the chart will be printed, so you have to choose the chart. Okay, then click file and then print. See, okay, so you can print the chart. Okay, so that's all for today. So good luck. Bye.